Today we are going to learn how functions work. So to create a function we write f, and after that we write its name. I'm creating a simple function name, print name, this is its name, or print age. I could prepare print age. Okay, so I'm going to ask the user its age, and I can add a parameter named age. After that I can open my Google. Then after that I could take print age, and after I've taken a parameter I can take an input age1 equals int input error, enter, put enter age, and I would have to call that function now, and if I call it and add the brackets, so I could write anything inside it. Okay, so for example I'm writing age1. I could also write same, just age, and if I now run it and enter age, it would be 5. So 5, and this is how functions work. I could add 2, 3, 4, how many parameters. Without parameters we could also create variables inside functions, but it is not considered a file way. We take parameters and then enter arguments, so that's the better way to create functions.